The HUAWEI Watch GT 5 Pro and Galaxy Watch 7 are the two hottest smartwatches on the market right now, and we're about to save you hours of research and hundreds in buyer's remorse. We've spent months researching both watches to give you the real scoop on which one actually deserves your money. For the latest prices and links, check the description below. Now, let's jump into this smartwatch showdown. Let's start with what catches everyone's eye first: design and build quality. Both watches come in two sizes, but here's where things get interesting. HUAWEI takes a bold approach with distinct designs for different users. The GT5 Pro rocks an octagonal shape that turns heads, while Samsung keeps things sleek and uniform across their lineup. The materials? That's where the real differences shine. The GT5 Pro flexes with a premium titanium case, lighter and tougher than your average smartwatch. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 7 opts for aluminum, keeping things lightweight but perhaps not quite as premium feeling. And let's talk durability. Both watches feature scratch-resistant sapphire glass, so you won't need to baby these devices. Display quality? Both watches bring their A-game with stunning AMOLED screens. Samsung's Super AMOLED technology gives colors that extra pop, while HUAWEI's display holds its own with deep blacks and vibrant colors that make every notification a treat for the eyes. Now let's talk fitness tracking, because let's face it, that's why many of us are dropping serious cash on these devices. The GT5 Pro comes out swinging with some exclusive features that'll make sports enthusiasts sit up straight. We're talking importable maps for trail running, 3D golf course maps that show every contour of the green, and even freediving profiles. Yes, you heard that right. This watch is dive certified. The Galaxy Watch 7 isn't slouching either. It packs dual-frequency GPS and Samsung's redesigned bioactive sensor. While it might not have all the specialized features of the GT5 Pro, it delivers solid performance for your everyday workouts, from running to cycling. Both watches nail the basics: step counting, calorie tracking, and heart rate monitoring. But the GT5 Pro takes things further with its TrueSense platform, delivering more consistent and accurate readings across the board. Plus, unlike Samsung's offering, you can pair external heart rate monitors with HUAWEI's watches for even more precise data. Let's dive into health monitoring, because these watches don't just track your workouts, they're keeping an eye on your well-being 24/7. The GT5 Pro introduces arterial stiffness detection and ECG readings, though these features can be a bit finicky to use. Meanwhile, Samsung brings some serious offerings to the table with their energy score system and AI-powered health insights. Sleep tracking? Both watches will tell you how well you're sleeping, but Samsung edges ahead here. The Galaxy Watch 7 doesn't just track your sleep. It provides detailed coaching and even includes sleep apnea detection in certain regions. That's next-level sleep monitoring right there. Women's health features are pretty much neck and neck. Both watches include skin temperature sensors to enhance cycle tracking, though neither pushes the boundaries with cutting-edge features like pregnancy insights. Now, here's where things get interesting: smart features. If you're after a true smartwatch experience, the Galaxy Watch 7 absolutely dominates. We're talking full access to Wear OS apps, LTE connectivity options, and Google Wallet support. Plus, it plays nice with Samsung's ecosystem, including their upcoming Galaxy Ring. HUAWEI's approach is more focused. While you won't get the full smartwatch experience, there's one ace up their sleeve: iPhone compatibility. That's right. While Samsung keeps things strictly Android, HUAWEI welcomes iOS users to the party. Battery life. Now, this is where the rubber meets the road. The Galaxy Watch 7 delivers about 40 hours with regular use, or 30 hours with the always-on display. In real-world terms, you're charging it pretty much every day. The GT5 Pro? It's a whole different story. Huawei claims up to 14 days of battery life, though real-world use with all the bells and whistles turned on lands closer to 6 or 7 days. Still, that's impressive compared to Samsung's daily charging routine. Let's break down some key points that might seal the deal for you. The GT5 Pro shines in the fitness department with its specialized sports features and impressive battery life. Not to mention, its premium materials and unique design make it stand out in a crowd. If you're someone who values durability and a watch that feels as tough as your workouts, the GT5 Pro doesn't disappoint. Its titanium build ensures longevity, and its rugged yet stylish look gives it a premium edge over many competitors. On the other hand, or on the other wrist, the Galaxy Watch 7 is your go-to if you want a true smartwatch experience. It handles notifications beautifully, giving you a seamless way to stay connected without always reaching for your phone. Beyond that, it opens up a world of apps, letting you customize your experience based on personal preferences and lifestyle. Whether you want to control your smart home, stream music on the go, or dive into advanced health insights, the Galaxy Watch 7 has you covered. Plus, its uniform design works for everyone, making it versatile enough to pair with gym wear or a formal suit. Think about how you'll use your watch. Are you an outdoor enthusiast who needs long battery life and specialized sports features? The GT5 Pro might be your match. It boasts an impressive battery life that ensures your adventures aren't interrupted by constant recharging. Plus, its sports tracking capabilities are fine-tuned for athletes, offering detailed insights for activities like hiking, cycling, and running. Its ability to handle extreme weather conditions is another win for those who like to push their limits in nature. But if you're more interested in smart features and seamless integration with your phone, the Galaxy Watch 7 could be calling your name. It's designed to sync effortlessly with your devices, creating an ecosystem where your phone, watch, and even other gadgets work together seamlessly. The Galaxy Watch 7 also takes sleep tracking to the next level. Not only does it monitor your sleep stages, but it provides actionable insights to help you improve your rest, which is vital for overall health and performance. Both watches excel in their own ways. The GT5 Pro pushes boundaries with its premium build and advanced sports tracking, while the Galaxy Watch 7 delivers a more rounded smartwatch experience. The choice really comes down to your priorities. Battery life versus smart features, specialized sports tracking versus general fitness monitoring. It's not just about what the watches can do, it's about what you need from them. Remember, both watches will handle your daily fitness tracking needs with ease. They'll count your steps, measure your heart rate, and even nudge you to stay active. The differentiator lies in those extra features that match your specific lifestyle. The GT5 Pro's titanium build and advanced sports features make it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who need their gear to keep up with them. Meanwhile, the Galaxy Watch 7's smart features and sleep tracking create a more connected experience, making it ideal for those who want a tech-forward device that integrates into every aspect of their life. The verdict? There's no clear winner here because these watches serve different needs. The GT5 Pro is the choice for fitness enthusiasts who want premium materials and longer battery life. Its rugged construction and focus on durability make it an excellent companion for the great outdoors. The Galaxy Watch 7, on the other hand, is perfect for those who want a true smartwatch experience with solid fitness features. Its ability to streamline your daily tasks while offering a polished design makes it a versatile option. That wraps up our comparison of these two impressive smartwatches. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you make your decision, and subscribe for more in-depth tech comparisons. Drop a comment below letting us know which watch you're leaning towards. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, for the best deals on both watches, check out those links in the description. By shopping through those links, you'll not only get access to the latest offers, but also support our channel so we can keep bringing you quality content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.